Introducing the MacBook Pro, the perfect companion for power users and creative professionals. Let's dive into why this laptop is a game changer. First and foremost, the screen of the MacBook Pro is truly spectacular. With its stunning Retina display, every image and video comes to life with vibrant colors and exceptional detail. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or working on intricate design projects, the MacBook Pro's screen offers an immersive visual experience that sets it apart from its competitors. When it comes to battery life, the MacBook Pro truly excels. With its efficient power management system, you can confidently work throughout the day without worrying about constantly needing to recharge. The long-lasting battery ensures that you can complete your tasks and projects without any interruptions, making it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone on the go. To handle demanding tasks and multitasking seamlessly, the MacBook Pro boasts impressive processing power. With the latest processors and ample RAM, this laptop can handle resource-intensive software and applications with ease. Whether you're editing videos, compiling code, or running virtual machines, the MacBook Pro delivers exceptional performance and responsiveness. Last but not least, the MacBook Pro stands out with its sleek and elegant design. From its aluminum unibody construction to its backlit keyboard and precision trackpad, every aspect of the design is meticulously crafted. The MacBook Pro is not only a powerhouse of performance, but also a symbol of sophistication. In conclusion, the MacBook Pro is a remarkable laptop that excels in all aspects. Its stunning screen, long-lasting battery life, impressive processing power, extensive selection of applications, and elegant design make it the ultimate choice for professionals and power users alike.